This is quite rare for not even April for a pretty big thunderstorm. It's not even 50 degrees. How is this possible? It's not hot. It's cold. It's pretty cold, actually. This is not... I think this is as intense as it's gonna get. But, yeah, it's... Normally it would be like, what, 80 degrees or 90 out here. It's not even 50, and we're getting a pretty strong storm. That was a big one. Not hearing any thunder. Oh, there it is. You guys probably can't hear it, but oh my god. The rain's starting to calm down a bit. The first thunderstorm, and it's not even April. Awesome. This goes to show you how warm this winter has been. Usually it would be a snowstorm, but it's not. It's a thunderstorm. I heard Maine's getting some snow, big snow. But nope, down here we're getting this. There's not much else I can show you guys, so thanks for watching. Just wait for one more, I guess. Ooh.